American Art Presentation, Mary Cassatt. The Impressionist movement emerged in 1870s France. Artists began to paint outdoors in plein air to capture the fleeting effects of light and atmosphere. The Impressionist movement was named after Monet's painting, Impression Sunrise. A critic, Louis Leroy, meant for the term to mock the unblended brush marks and unfinished look, but Monet and his colleagues felt it aptly described their aim of depicting a fleeting moment and an impression of a scene. Monet was a leading member of the movement and painted his impressions of light and color. He painted several series of repetitious outdoor subjects: haystacks, poplar trees, ruined cathedral, and water lily pond. Let's take a look at Monet's painting, Impression Sunrise. Mary Cassatt, American Impressionist. Mary Cassatt was born near Pittsburgh and grew up in Philadelphia. She studied at the Pennsylvania Academy of Fine Arts and traveled to France and was influenced by Impressionism and incorporated characteristics of the style within her paintings. In her paintings, Cassatt mainly featured women caring for children, however, with new Impressionist techniques and with sensitive portrayals. Within her painting, Mother and Child, we see the faces within the painting have an accurate, detailed portrayal and focus our attention on the connection between the mother and child, while the background features very loose brushwork, characteristic of Impressionism, similar to Monet's painting. The space appears flat with very little spatial depth. The space is shallow and the forms appear stacked upon each other. Cassatt was also influenced by the design of Japanese prints, as many other Impressionist and Post-Impressionist painters were as well. Inspired by their composition, design, and flat areas of color, Cassatt incorporated these elements into her own paintings and prints. She was especially influenced by the use of asymmetry and diagonals within her own compositions. Lastly, her portrayals of women and children also call to mind portrayals of Mary and the Christ child. Therefore, in conclusion, American artist Mary Cassatt depicted sensitive portrayals of women and children with new painting techniques as part of the Impressionism movement.